In military operations, each soldier needs about 5 litres of drinking water a day. If the weather is hot, this goes up to 8 or 9 litres. So when thousands of troops need to be supplied, water becomes a major issue. During a recent exercise in Slovakia, NATO member and partner countries pooled their skills and equipment to tackle water challenges in operations. The first challenge, finding a source of water. Rivers and lakes may be scarce or difficult to access in some operations.
In Afghanistan, in regards to water, the biggest challenge there is just the water source. They have water, but they don't have access to that water.
But when the water is not accessible, the military logisticians have a solution: drilling into the ground.
When we use all our equipment, we can drill up to 600 meters deep. But for example, when we drill in Germany, we got a lot of rocks, and sometimes we drill into 100 meters and we haven't got any water at all.
When the water is finally brought to the surface, the work is not over. It has to be made drinkable. After being treated and purified, it's tested in the laboratory, where doctors look for heavy metals, bacteria and germs. If necessary, the water is treated all over again. It can be a long process.
In Afghanistan, the raw water is from a totally different. In Europe, we've got very high amounts on salts. We've got high amounts on metals, uranium, for example, and we have to do quite a lot of work. We have to do a lot of treatment to make potable water out of it.
The most difficult point is the original source. If the water does not already have certain characteristics, it can't be produced properly. It may not be possible to make it drinkable as we will wish.
Water drawing and storage facilities, purification and drilling systems. The equipment required is considerable and sometimes expensive. This American system for purification and storage costs $400,000, but water is essential, so solutions have to be found. In NATO's operations, some countries specialize. For example, this German laboratory used in Afghanistan tests water that has been drawn and treated by American, Dutch or French specialists. Even then, the story is not finished. The water still has to be transported safely to the soldiers. All this highlights how joint efforts are vital to securing a source of blue gold.